Here she is, our 1958 Cadillac. She is complete but needs a lot of love. But this long-abandoned classic is largely complete. Follow us to see the full restoration of this project. As you can see, the body is heavily oxidized. This isn't just surface rust, it's eaten through in several spots, especially around the fenders and the windshield. Looking at severe corrosion here on the wheel drum, the tire itself is dry rotted and won't hold air. As you can see, the Series 62 has significant surface corrosion, especially here on the driver's side door. The paint is heavily oxidized. This section of the grille is severely rusted, and right here on the bumper, the pitting is extensive. It all needs to be replaced or re-chromed entirely. We're looking at the iconic tail fin of this 58 Series 62. The weathered paint and heavy rust mean we'll need to strip this down completely. This original 1958 upholstery is pretty rough. The padding has completely disintegrated over the years. We'll need to completely replace all the foam and the inserts, but at least the original frame is still solid. We need to completely restore this original radio. The chrome switches and all these dials are pitted too. But look at this original steering wheel, it's just a classic. This is the original V8, but it hasn't run in decades. Our biggest challenge is going to be unseizing it, and finding replacement parts will be tough. But I'm ready to bring this Cadillac back to life. So the dismantling process starts next. We are going to take it piece by piece, follow along to see it come back to life. Let's get it out of here. There we go. Let's pull this up. Wow, look at that. We pulled up the carpet and found this. This rust goes much deeper than we thought. It could be worse. Look at this heavy corrosion. The brake drums are completely rusted. Now that we have removed the exterior panels, there is quite a bit of additional rust and more corrosion than we initially expected. But that is all part of the process. We found a lot of hidden rust. These sections required complete metal replacement. We cut out all these old panels. The bodywork phase is nearly complete. As you can see, the panels are now smooth. Next, we will begin the sanding preparation. We are assessing the engine of this 58 Cadillac. There is heavy carbon buildup and some corrosion here. I can't wait to begin.